Hello, Tech.eu. I hope you're all comfortable. I'm going to be talking about something incredibly boring, taxes. But what we can do with taxes, we can open the world for e-commerce. The world is not open for e-commerce. Tax and customs compliance issues are the main reason why online merchants are not selling cross-border. There is also monetary cost, not just the difficulty. The EU Commission estimates it's over 10% for SMEs. There is also a mental health issue here. I know because we've been doing it for 3.5 years, but let's not get into that. The reality is dark. It is an incredibly concentrated market. 500 out of 940,000 online stores cover 58% of... Am I doing that? All right. Is it on? Yeah, enough? So, this is where we are at right now. And this is the traditional way to resolve the problem. So, you have complicated regulation, which is continuously evolving. It's naturally stressful, so merchants start to do research. And the research will inevitably end up hiring consultants, which is upfront cost, it's expensive, and it is not in reality getting anything done. Then they realize they have to fix their accounting. Another problem, another upfront cost. Then there is a realization they need software. They might even need an IT team. So they are in effect multiplying the problem. It is not a solution. We have fully automated VAT compliance to open the world. So it has to be accessible. It has to be no code. No code means happy merchants. It means fast onboarding. It has to be comprehensive. It has to support all kinds of business models. Where the product is, where it's shipped from. It has to be scalable to support different company sizes. It has to be reliable. We are being recommended by the industry leaders, Shopify, Royal Mail, Swiss Post, and so forth. Automation means hands-off. Daily operations, monthly operations. It reduces errors and it increases accuracy. Combine this with transparent transaction-based pricing. No surprises there. Nearly forgot, we are expanding territories. We are going to add in the next few months Switzerland, Norway and Australia to our current EU and UK solution. We are born global. We have clients from Chile to Japan to, UK, which is the main market. We have currently a bit over 500 clients. We are onboarding 5 to 20 clients every day, and this is achieved with zero marketing budget. Okay, I'm making it clear there is a product market fit here somewhere, right? I know I'm not supposed to say this, but the product is selling itself. Full stop. We have only 5-star reviews. One of the reasons is we are not trying to sell consultancy. We're not trying to sell them next 3 hours of talking. We are providing them a solution in the first meeting. And I have very good news for you guys. You can all participate. We're raising funds. Join us. We need to get out there. So, we open the world for e-commerce. Thank you.